Mindfulness of sounds and thoughts. We are constantly immersed in a stream of sounds, an enormous variety of ever-changing, never-ending sounds. There are sounds even in silence. This constantly changing stream of sounds is just like our thought stream or the chatter of our doing minds. We are always thinking about things that had happened in the past, things that may happen in the future, or things that will never happen at all. A thought stream that is never still, never silent, and always changing. Also, like thoughts, sounds seem to arise out of nowhere and to be out of our control. They are open to interpretation and can trigger an avalanche of associations and reactions in our bodies and brains. They can carry us away. Mindfulness of sounds and thoughts is a powerful exercise. It gracefully reveals the similarities between sounds and the chatter of our doing minds, our thoughts. It allows us to discover that just as sounds come and go, so do our thoughts. Just as we can tune a radio, put the volume down, listen to its sounds and allow them to dissolve in the background without relating with them, so can we observe and acknowledge our thoughts, all the time staying detached from them, preventing them from spiraling out of control until they go away. It empowers us to see our thoughts as mental events, of which we are the masters. This realization gradually frees us from the grasp of the doing mode of the mind. Adopt a dignified and relaxed sitting position. If possible, allowing your spine to be self-supporting and your head, neck, and spine vertically aligned, with the shoulders relaxed. Become aware of the fact that you are breathing. Notice the rising and falling of your chest and belly as you breathe in and breathe out. Stay with the rhythm and the movements of your breath for a few moments. Expand the focus of your attention so that it now includes your whole body, sitting here, as if the whole body was breathing, as it actually is, through the skin. Notice how your body feels from the inside and the outside. Stay with the sensations in your body for a while, remembering that if at any time during the following exercise your brain wanders or you feel overwhelmed, you can always come back to the physical sensations of the breath. When you are ready, gently shift the focus of your attention from the sensations in your body to the sounds in which you are immersed. No sound in particular, all the sounds. Sounds that are near or far. Sounds inside your body and out of it. Sounds above and below, in front or behind, to your right and to your left. Prominent sounds and muffled ones. Notice the sounds within sound and the stretches of relative silence in between. Open to them all and feel a sense of gratitude for being able to hear so many sounds, many of which often go unnoticed. Notice the tendency to label, associate, like or dislike sounds, but as best you can, try to reconnect with the raw sensory qualities of the sound itself, noticing if it is sharp or soft, long or short, loud or quiet, without judging or criticizing, liking or disliking, without thinking from where they have come. Notice how a myriad of sounds seem to come out of nowhere, stay a while, and go. If your mind wanders, notice where it has gone to, and gently but firmly redirect your attention back to the sounds in which you are immersed, observing them come and go, from a distance, detached. Now, gently shift the focus of your attention to your thoughts, letting them become center stage in your awareness. What are you thinking right now? As best you can, see your thoughts as mental events. See them as part of your present moment experience, but not as part of you. Just as we did with sounds, notice them come out of nowhere, stay a while, and go. Just like the fleeting clouds in the sky, some thoughts may be dark, others bright. Some may be heavy, others light. Some may be small, others large. Just like the sky on a gloomy wintry day, your mind may be full of thoughts. Or like the blue clear sky on a bright summer day, it may be clear. If there are no thoughts in your mind right now, that's okay. Do not try to make any come. Simply register a blank and go back to the sensations of the breath and the body. If you do notice some thoughts, do not try to make them go away. Simply bring out the welcome mat for them all and watch them come and go on their own, just like we did with the sounds. In either case, congratulate yourself for having experienced a moment of awareness. Either awareness of the fact that there were no thoughts on your mind, or awareness of the thoughts with which your mind was occupied. In the latter case, if any thoughts evoked intense feelings or emotions, whether pleasant or unpleasant, as best you can, open to them and let them be, just as they are, just as you find them. Perhaps saying to yourself, whatever it is that I am thinking and feeling, it is already here. Whatever it is that I am thinking and feeling, let it be. Stay with your thoughts and feelings for a while and see if you can watch them fade away into the background of your awareness. If not, simply let them be and see if you can shift the focus of your attention back to the sensations of the breath or your whole body sitting here, breathing. Let your breathing anchor you back in the present moment, this precious breath, this precious moment. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes and as best you can, try to remember that when your mind is carried away by the story of your thoughts, you can always come back to the stillness and peace lying here in your breathing, always with you, always ready to be reached.